Everyone, welcome to Global Online. And here we are with our first and second shift exam analysis for the paper which has been taken, which has happened today. And based on these analysis, we will be giving you some important topics for 12 to 14 December examination. So those students who are having the examination from today, from 12 to 14. So today we have the paper, so 12 to 14, those students are having the examination. Make sure that you are having these topic revised very well, whatever topics we are going to tell you. And this will really help you, with a last minute revision and will really help you to get your examination very well. Or else in the other times we have our regular lecture at live at 9:30 p.m., which after the examination we will be starting for the new batches. But for the current batch, that is for the students who are having their examination in this particular month, for you, we do have a quick revision bank. This quick revision bank consists of updated MCQs, unit-wise MCQs, short notes, and most repeated MCQs. This is just to ensure that there is a target of 80 plus in your paper one. And this is available at Global Online at a fee cost of rupees 699. We have our contact details given. You can get in touch with us for the same. So now let's come to the topics. So we are having these important topics which are being analyzed in today's examination, that is shift 1 and shift 2. So we'll start with teaching aptitude. Okay, so coming with teaching aptitude, now this is very clearly seen since last week also cycle, that is in the last week whatever cycle has happened. So in teaching aptitude, the tools, okay, with respect to digital tools, so these are very commonly asked question. We have Kahoot, we have Quizlets, okay, Moodle we have. So based on these, the tools are coming. The tools with respect to assessment are also taking, are at a top front. Especially, digital initiatives, what has been done with you. Even Swayam Prabha, the questions are being seen, so you cannot ignore those topics. Now, when I say digital initiatives, make sure the topic of Sood, okay, has been revised very well for the students who are having their exam from 12 to 14. This is very important topic. This is definitely going to be, there has to be a question out of it. So this topic, all the students, this is just a crash quick revision series, you can tell, so that students who are having their examination from tomorrow till 14 can revise these topics very well. The next topic which we have is research aptitude. So with research aptitude, what topics, and these topics of research aptitude are also seen common with respect to last week's examination. So plagiarism, yes, in plagiarism they are asking some detailed questions. So today the question was basically levels of plagiarism. Today the one important question which was being seen was measurement of scales. I'll just write, I'm not having the place here down to write, so I'll just take measurement of scales. Now measurements of scales, yes, this of the topic is very, this was being seen very important in 2020, 21, 22. Now they have again repeated it, and today the question was very simple. Now you know that there are four scales, okay, we have studied this very well, that is nominal, interval, ordinal, and ratio scale. So here, which scale the categories are not there. So the question was very simple, which scales does not have the category, and you know very well the question is nominal. The question was from nominal only. Then apart from this, in research only, I'm just, taking a fresh page. In research only, there was questions on referencing styles. Styles of referencing. Today's question was on APA. MLA and APA are the common styles where they are asking the questions. Then the question was on types of research. Now, with respect to types of research, yes, basic research, that is pure research. The question was on basic research. We have studied very well. Basic research is nothing but pure research, as well as there was a question based on the topic top types of sampling. Last week also, you know very well, this topic was asked. The topic was on non-random sampling. Today also they have asked you the topics very well. So make sure that these topics you are revising very well, because these are repetitive topics which have been seen. Yeah, before I forget, in teaching aptitude, yes, assessment tools I told you, that is again there was norm and criterion reference. Now, students get confused over here with respect to any simple. So make sure that you are norm reference and criteria reference topic you are revising very well. Okay. Coming to the next topic is communication. Now, as you all know, in communication, they are this time. I don't know. Just a second. I'll just take the. Sorry. Just a second. I'll just change the ink so that it will be easier for you to have a look. Okay. So I'll just rewrite it again. So in communication, actually models of communication is also one of the topic which cannot be ignored. Apart from models of communication, mass media. Again, mass media, there is some or other question on mass media. There is a question based on a topic called as meta communication, as well as the question is based on a topic that is called as types of communication. And even this communication topics are very, very commonly seen. Okay, so make sure that these topics are properly revised, learned, and students who are appearing for the examination from tomorrow are getting ready with this. Okay, now let's go for next one. Okay, let's see. Okay. Now let's go to the next unit. Now the next unit is, we will take is unit number 4, that is ICT. So basically ICT is based on, again in ICT also MAC address. Very, very, very common this topic is. Then we have cyber security. This is something, which is very, very, I mean, this today, the topic on cyber security, something new, as you all know, comes, every cycle and every shift. So there is a topic called as digital hygiene. So which was based on the cyber attack. Okay, so this is a topic which students should be little bit, brushing up their knowledge with. That is called in the form of DOS, that is denial of service. Again, MS Word based on Microsoft Word and Excel, that is HLOOKUP. There were topics, and quantum computing. There was something, called as, quantum computing. So students who are little bit ignoring ICT, make sure that you're not taking it very lightly, because on 9th, I have seen, 9th, and again on 6th, there were 8th, there was no, but sorry. Oh, yes, on the first day of the paper, that is 6th, 7th, and not 9th, 8th. Okay. So there were topics which are lot based on ICT, that is information and communication technology. So make sure that these topics are revised very well. Today, the next topic, logical reasoning. Now, some part of logical reasoning, students thought that it will not be taken at all. But today, surprising, the topics based on blood relation, the topics based on direction, the topics based on square of opposition. This is one of the topic which is very, very common coming up. A syllogism. Now, this topic was not asked in last week, but there was a question, and the question was on informal fallacy, that is appeal to ignorance. So these topics were very common in logical reasoning. In mathematics, time and work, average, and so when we're talking about mathematics, even DI today's paper, it was very easy. Only the students said that the DI questions are coming bit lengthy. So all those students last week itself, I have given an idea that make sure that DI questions you people are knowing are simple, but your speed of calculation is very much important, because the questions which are coming are lengthy. Questions are easy, but they are lengthy, right? Then coming next to teaching up, sorry, next is our higher education system and our people development and environment. So when I come to higher education system, okay, just a second. So I'm talking about higher education system right now. So ancient education, this is one topic which is seen very, very common. Ancient education. Research center, they are asking you the topics based on, research centers. Buddhism, Takshila, that is in the form of ancient universities. So these are very common questions. So focus is basically given on ancient education. Talking about PDE, that is, people development and environment, pollutants, pollution, then conventions. These are the topic which are very, very common. Something different in this fission chain, that is in the form of nuclear power. was seen. Ozone, the question was based on ozone. So conventions, agreements, as if you remember in my one of the live class, even students, those who have given exam, they agreed that conventions, agreements, they are asking you the question. Now, one such question basically on ozone, as I'm talking about. So last time they were asked where this, ozone first time it occurred in the year. And today in the today's shift, they had asked about the place. So see, these are very important topics which you should definitely note. The topics based on, no, for smog also was there, uranium was there. So these are all topics which are continuously repeated, which are important. Uh, and all the students whom I have just, I've just taken a quick session, because here wasting time, is not going to give you anything, because these topics now are important. I hope everyone has taken down the topics. Now you have to make sure that students who are having their exam tomorrow or day after tomorrow, make sure that these topics are not left out. Okay, so make sure, I know it is, it's a revision mode. It's a time for you not to stressed out, but make sure that these topics are definitely, you are having a look and you're going for your examination. That is very, very important. Now, students who are willing to join our courses for the upcoming examination, that is, I'm talking about the examination that is June 2024. So these students need to make sure that you should know what we are offering first of all. So we do offer a complete course for paper 1 day live lectures, which are set to schedule from 18th of December. Full syllabus notes, 60 plus mock test, question bank, question bank till date. We have a 20% off in our fees for this offer, which is uh, going to end up very soon. So make sure that you are going for this offer. If you want, you can also download our global online app. This is how the app is available on the Google Play Store. Once you download the app, you can register yourself with a registered mobile number. You get to the course wherein you have an access. Once you buy the course, you have an access to all the videos, all the study material, and make sure that you are starting your preparation from day one for your June 2024 examination. Okay. Apart from that, if you want paper to notes, full syllabus notes in the form of PDF and MCQs is available for the following subject. The fees is rupees 1280. For that also, you can contact on our given WhatsApp number. Make sure that you are clarifying your doubts, and then you can, especially those students who have decided to go for June 2024 cycle, can without wasting time make sure that things have been starting now. And that's all we have for the day. So we'll come up with the tomorrow's analysis and the topics. But as an very important announcement I have made with the topic, so make sure that you're revising these topics, and you are ready for your examination. So all the best, all those who are having your papers tomorrow. Best luck and do your best. Thank you, everyone.